Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your fingerprint sensor on VIVO V60 Lite isn't recognizing your fingerprint properly. In such case, let's set up a new fingerprint model on this device. To do so, go to Settings, then scroll down to Security and Privacy section. Then let's go to Device Unlocking. Select Fingerprint, confirm with your lock screen pattern, and now if you have any previously set up fingerprints on this device, remove them like this. And then before we add a new fingerprint, let's first remove all the accessories like protective case from the smartphone so they don't interfere with the process. And wipe the screen of your device, and especially the place where the fingerprint scanner is located. I recommend using a microfiber cloth for that. And also, if you don't succeed this time, try removing your screen protector, because they sometimes cause some troubles with fingerprint sensors, and some of the screen protectors are simply incompatible with fingerprint sensors. So you should have should get yourself an original VIVO screen protector in such case. Okay, now when we're done, let's select fingerprint once again, and then let's stop Enroll Now and start firmly pressing the fingerprint sensor using different parts of our finger to ensure the best experience. Okay, and once the fingerprint is added, tap Done. Then let's go back to Settings before we proceed, and let's check for any available updates on the phone. To do so, go to a System Update. Make sure that you have an internet connection, unlike me. Then once you have internet connection on your phone, check if you have the latest system version on your device. And now if you don't have it, of course, then update your phone to the latest software version, and then let's restart the phone by pressing the power button and volume up key at the same time. Select Restart and let your device reboot. And once the device is restarted, first you're gonna have to unlock it using your usual screen lock as a security measure, and then let's lock it again, then unlock it and try to use the fingerprint to unlock the phone. As you can see, it worked for me smoothly the first time. Let's try it. Let's give it a couple more attempts. And as you can see, everything works very smoothly. I hope that it does for you too. And if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.